Today, let's have a look at this 1949 Ariel VH Red Hunter project bike. Well, welcome to Bator International, Bator Classic Auctions. Happy to offer up this very nice bike. As you can see, it's missing a few pieces. Gonna need a little TLC, but again, this is a very, very cool project. And this bike, along with many others, is selling over our auction block as we speak at BatorClassicAuctions.com. So make sure you go and sign up and register. This is lot number M120. And this bike, along with many others, are selling at no reserve. So sign up and register and get the opportunity to pick up on some really, really great bikes. We also have about 600 lots of parts and memorabilia, and many of the parts that we have would definitely finish out this motorcycle. So again, check out BatorClassicAuctions.com and get ready to bid away.